how's it going? Another quick video I wanted to put together for you today is for these side markers that I purchased. Not these ones are actually already aftermarket, but I saw a post from Flyin Miata about these LED strip side markers for front and rear, and honestly I thought they looked freaking sweet. So I went ahead and got a set, and I wanted to try them out. Honestly, installation be really freaking easy. All you do is unscrew these two bolts here and plug in the new ones, and you should be good to go. So yeah, let's take a look at these things. Basically, I got these off the website. They're saying the first initial batch they did, the connectors were a little messed up, so they were offering them at a discount, and yeah, like I guess the second batch was already sold out, so I just went ahead and got some of these. So keep that in mind while checking these out, and yeah, let's take a look. Alright, so these are from Flyin Miata. It's about how they came. I took one out of the package already. Pretty sweet. I mean, simple setup, connector, all that. Had some extra little reflective strips. Not entirely sure how these come into play, but we'll see. Alright, so I've went ahead and previously already unscrewed these two, so this should slide right out. Pretty simple. So, I'll just take this, turn it to the side, now comes your bulb. These are some already pretty damn nice bulbs I got off of superbrightleds.com. I've gotten some previously off of it's like a China website for about 50 of them for $10 or so. But man, those things burn out so quick, so I mean, these have really done the trick. So yeah, they said in the description, basically, the connectors they have for these need to be spread out just a little bit or they will not work. So they say they need to spread them out like so, since the plug was just, I guess it's just the one side, since the plug was a little bit smaller than it needed to be. So these are the fronts. They're nice, neatly labeled. And I guess I'll plug this bad boy in. You guys are seeing it for the first time along with me. Oh shit. Alright. Damn, that looks really good. Fits right in there. Man, I'm really digging that actually. Yeah, not bad at all. So I think I'll get some finished shots of these, screw them all back in, and get another video here in a sec. Alright, so I'm back at the front, and I'm noticing one thing from these is the actual housings for these side markers are actually a bit bigger than the stock ones. So, not entirely sure how I feel about that. It seems to poke out just a little bit on these Racing Beat bumpers. Not sure how they act on stock bumpers, but that might be an issue. I don't know. It's not too noticeable, and honestly, the LEDs themselves, they look fantastic. So, well, let's finish these up, and I'll do a quick walk around. Alright. All finished up and installed. Honestly, these things, they're really bright. They're also really freaking clean on the sides. Unlike any other side marker I've seen so far. Obviously better than stock, better than those eBay ones, but so I do have one gripe about these, is these things are honestly poking out quite a bit. The previous ones ran stock. It's probably about 3 millimeters, just a bit too big. I mean, maybe they had to make it bigger to fit all the electronic strip behind it, or I don't know what the issue is. Kind of curious about how it looks on the stock bumper. If anyone has some experience on that, chime in and let me know. But honestly, I really don't care about the little details like that. I think they look pretty damn sweet. I'm probably gonna still run them, but yeah, interesting. Well, it's just another little quick video I wanted to make. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, I mean, if you have any questions about my car in general, other mods in the Miata community, let me know. Drop me a line and glad to answer any questions and whatnot. So I'm going to clean up all my crap and continue on my day. And yeah, y'all have a good one. Till next time.